Go na. Sige sir, cardiac region.
This is the cardiac region. Kini siya. Kini nga part. Okay, this is the cardiac region.
Sige sir, pylorus.
Pylorus, this is the pylorus. Kini pyloric region, whole. So, under this one, kini siya,
Pyloric sphincter.
this is the pyloric sphincter. So, nari ang pylorus. Okay, the whole thing is the pyloric region man.
Sige sir, lesser curvature.
Lesser curvature or your concave.
Concave.
Okay, so this is the concave. Kini nga part here.
Kana.
Okay. Then the greater curvature is kini.
If na pa rin kuhan.
Okay, if na pa siya.
Yeah, rugae or ruga.
Ruga is the kanang groove.
Grooves nga nasa suit.
So, grooves kana siya makita nga grooves. Okay, mga folds.
Yeah, mesogaster sir.
Mesogaster is supposedly here.
Pero wala
That will suspend the stomach, and the dorsal side man.
Unsa tayo na nga sir, transparent?
Transparent na siya. Maraya po na siya kuan.
Sticky.
Kanang may mesentery.
Yeah, small intestine.
The small intestine is kani nga part here. The small intestine plus the one that is coiling kani here. So this is the whole small intestine. But this part here, the upper portion is the duodenum, and then the lower portion is your ileum.
Yeah, kana mo connect siya sa
large intestine.
Large intestine.
Large intestine is here. Kani. Okay. So this is now the rectum. Part of your large intestine is the rectum.
Ang anus sige.
So since kanang among food gikan sa stomach, i-digest imong stomach, right? And then the nutrients will be absorbed by your small intestine, and then katong mga waste product after human kag-absorb mo ra siya sapal. Okay? So ari na siya ibutang sa imong large intestine. So ari na siya gi-store ang mga waste product. So this waste product is ready for discharge. So store sa imong rectum, and then ready for discharge paingon sa imong anus.
Anus daw, anus go.
Gali, agi sa
Anus is here. Kini siya ngini. Kini nga buslot dire. Okay, that's your anus.
Agi na sa cloaca sir.
Sang cloaca.
Cloaca is kining cloaca kini. Kini siya.
Kana siya, okay.
Okay.
Sige niya.
Next.
Mesentery proper or mesenterium.
Mesenterium is, have you seen this kani sa kini? This part here kini.
Mesenterium.
Okay.
Mesorectum or
Mesorectum, this is your large intestine. So this is your mesentery here. Kana siya.
Large
intestine nga.
Large intestine mesentery. This is your mesocolon or your
mesorectum.
Kana sir, kanang ko ano?
Kini siya, mura siya kini.
Mag mesenterium yapon.
Liver sir.
Liver, of course, here.
Gallbladder.
So this is the gallbladder. Kini. Kana siya. This is the gallbladder.
Ang common bile duct sir.
Common bile duct is located kanang adjacent to the gallbladder. For example, this is the gallbladder. So this is the bile duct. Okay?
Kana.
And this is your pancreas here.
Pancreas.
So, na. Klaro no?
Balik ang pancreas sir.
Pancreas here.
Kana.
This portion kini.
Kana.
Okay.
Sige. Dere sir, kani kay
Walang spleen.
This is the spleen.
and this is the
This is your spleen kini. This is your kidney.
kidney.
Okay?
Kana,
This
sir.
is your kidney.
Kani.
This is your oviduct.
Oviduct.
This is your adipose fossa or your fat body.
Kani sir kay
This is your urinary bladder.
Urinary
Yeah,
bladder.
constricted lang siya kaya wala siya sod.
Okay.
Okay?
Sige.
What else?
Sige.
then
Mana.
kani kuan.
This is your lungs.
Then sa kuan pag
This is your lungs. So this is your lungs, okay? So this is the pleural. Pleura. Okay? So kining mga pores sa imong lungs, this is what we call as alveoli or alveolus kung usar ka pore. Okay, that's it.
Then esophagus.
Esophagus is here.
Respiratory daw ta uy. Respiratory.
Respiratory is kato na dito katong gikuha daan lungs.
Oy, gikuha. Di siya pa daw.